ये आने आगे मत जा।
हाय। कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे?
सामने सेंटर में। या
अच्छा एक मिनट रुको। Let's fix this properly. Okay, now let's give you.
मैम थोड़ा इस तरफ हैं।
पेंटर
सेंटर मैम सेंटर।
Agnes.
मैम राइट में।
अरे
अनिशा को बोला
सुष्मिता मैम सेंटर में। मैम सेंटर में। मैम या सुष्मिता मैम या सेंटर सुष्मिता मैम सेंटर में। या मैम राइट में यहाँ पे मैम सेंटर सुष्मिता मैम या
राइट में यहाँ पे। How are you guys?
फाइन
One second. Come on.
Hi. So nice to meet you, Agnes.
Thank you. Meet my friend, and he is the curator of the Shilpa Studio Gallery. He's
Very
helping
nice
a
to
lot in
meet
the art
you.
and the
What a spectacular piece that I read, which you sent me.
किधर है?
Thank you. So this is all of his work?
Yes.
All of his work.
Oh, you know, there's plenty more.
Yes, from what I read, a room couldn't fill it, right?
Oh, yeah. Roof water. Massive house, Belgaum. That's
Belgaum,
one
yes.
yes. Sorry.
Aye.
मैम या सुष्मिता मैम या मैम
Thank you.
सुष्मिता जी आप यहाँ पे मैम।
आइए ना पेंटिंग देखते हैं। Oh wow.
ये साइड में है तू। पेंटिंग नंबर हो जाएगा।
Good looking. So good looking. This is a self-portrait? Yes. You looked at a mirror and did that? Oh wow. Yeah, exactly. I'm seeing them looking at a mirror. Oh, really? So realistic. Oh wow. These are all charcoal. When you said in what I read that he could do up to 2 or 3 pieces in a day.
Yes. More than that.
What medium?
It could be even oil.
He could do
Yes,
oil?
yes, smaller ones. Of course,
Yeah.
Yes. He was a voracious painter. Art was his passion. It was his first love. I was his second love.
And I like the fact that you made peace with that. That's beautiful. Look at that. It's like you kind of know the woman, you know?
हाँ okay no problem.
Oh, she's here? I find this place so precious. This entire experience so surreal. Hi, Ji. Hi. Which one is you? You have to guess. Oh, I have to guess. It's on the way. It's on the way. You just keep saying you're warming up, cold, warming up. Okay? Wow, look at that. The fascinating thing is, I see a lot of him having drawn a lot of bats. Like the angles were a lot of bats.
That was, it would fascinate him because he used to like to paint that.
Ah, oh nice.
You know something about, when you became Miss Universe,
Yeah.
you know what John uttered? Models should be like this. Tall, elegant, beautiful and dignified. You said that.
It was bad enough
Yes,
that I
that's
read
the-
that note and you made me cry because it's written so beautifully and simply. And then you just saying something like that makes me feel extremely overwhelmed.
And that's the reason I wanted you to have come to the show.
No, and
It was
I
like a
truly
dream.
feel very privileged that you thought
Thank
of me.
you so much.
Because I know this is a very, very big moment
Yes.
of you keeping your promise to me.
आगे.
And thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Really.
No.
Okay, warmer. You have to say warmer.
मागे
So you don't
मागे
guess it wrong.
थोडं मागे आलं दादा पेंटिंग मिळत नाही पूर्ण आपल्याला फायदा काय सुष्मिताजी
Stand with her all the time.
Let's take with that painting. इतना लो मत ले बाबू बहुत मोटी लगूंगी
आप ले रहा हूँ
इससे मत ले नीचे से Am I getting warmer? No. Yeah?
Okay.
That one? Yes. That one? Oh wow. Yes. Please. Come on. Point. You point. This one.
Big one.
And the big one?
One more to come.
One more?
Yeah.
How many times?
So many
I
times.
want to share with you something. He was painting, Andhar was painting, okay? That time I was a very kid. I was like, which actress you want to be? I asked him. The first thing he told me was Sushmita.
The smartest people in the world are not very tall. Do you know? The ones that own the world are the ones that are not very tall.
Okay.
Whoa. Now I see. He always got you to tie your hair. See?
Yeah. She had lovely hair. She lost all.
I
2 kids.
2 kids.
फोटोग्राफर को पूछना यार
And how old are you here?
बीच में आया
About 15, 16. No. They were getting married. This could not come and give the sitting.
Oh,
Remember?
there, yeah. You look like way
I think
younger.
she was about 20 or
बस अभी पूरा कंटिन्यू तो
one big here, please.
Yes, of course.
So much, sir. Any point?
Absolutely.
मैम यो सुष्मिता मैम यो
This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This one.
This one. Last year, 2004. And after that, he fell sick.
Oh, he upped this. He never painted again. Which he completed or he did? Incompleted
He
ones.
called her so many times. This one was because she was getting married. So she had to run the shop. Otherwise, you got finished
Last year. How he got an expression on the flow of things. Beautiful, lovely. This is watercolor, right? Look at the colors now.
Yeah.
The background and the foreground is merging.
was fallen sick and she couldn't come together. She was supposed to come.
ये भाई
She was also supposed to come together.
I miss it. Yeah.
Very good. How are you? Good to see you. How lovely. I haven't Look at this one. Is that an Indian model? Yeah, she is, huh? Completely looks like she's from another world. She doesn't look like she's.
I'm right.
क्या बस
No, we don't want to be.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, look center.
Very important.
Ma'am, look center.
I'm on the left.
Thank you. Thank you, Baba. Where is this place?
This is in somewhere in Bengal.
Oh, it is Delga.
This is Bengal. Where,
Where your home? Yes.
has 8,000 square feet.
Oh, they would love it. It's out. Unfortunately, we both have school. Hi! Oh, I have not seen you in ages.
Yeah.
How are you?
When I came to know you yesterday, I said I must stay there.
You know, my home downstairs, the living room downstairs has this one big wall, and that has only got her Buddha there. Only her Buddha. The most beautiful, and he always looks like he's coming out of the canvas.
Actually, I have to read these things as well.
नहीं, it's beautiful. Why
Golden
you?
leaves नहीं?
नहीं, golden leaves भी ठीक है.
Antique लगता है.
हाँ, but that antique feeling is beautiful. Beautiful. उसको आप fresh कर दोगे तो वो फिर नया हो जाएगा. उसको नया नहीं. Oh, that's beautiful.
चलो.
What an expression. You're leaving, huh?
Yeah, I'm leaving after some time.
It's very good to see.
ना विजुअल्स देखण्याची मूड वरती काय
बस आता किती 2 सेकंद नाही ना आपण
Stunning. What an expression.
Speaking eyes.
Yeah, very sweet. This is what? A medium?
This is all on canvas.
Only oil, huh? It's not mixed. With oil, someone, I don't know who does it. It's
Master.
yeah, look at that. Got his, look at those eyes, but, oof. And that mouth.
She is right now in Switzerland. She's in Switzerland.
Yeah.
Science. She is in Switzerland.
And each of the models that posed for him,
They were my students.
yes, the convent school, yes. I read it.
Read that?
Yes, of course I did. I used to teach
हाँ बोलना.
All right then, come on here. Agnes, come on.
Yeah.
Center stage, come here.
Rolling? Okay, hi Sushmita, it's very good to see you.
Very good to see you and your new look.
Yes, thank
It's suiting you very much.
Thank you so much, thank you so much. So I just want to ask you, क्या कहना चाहेंगे collection के बारे में? You've seen through all the paintings, so what is your initial reaction about the paintings?
You know, like many of us, I know for years I've been very fond of art. I've always seen and explored new artists with new gifts, and मुझे art से बड़ा लगाव इसलिए भी है कि just like cinema, it has a way of imitating life and being drawn from life, especially with an artist like John Fernandez. He was a realistic form of an artist. He chose this form. Everything was about realism. He had actual models posing for him at a time when fine art was more, modern art was taking birth in the fine art space. He did both fine art and commercial art. But tonight what is really, really special is ये कि यहाँ पर एक love story है. एक ऐसी love story जो मुझे बहुत गर्व होता है कहते हुए कि ये मेरे देश में हुआ, हमारे लोगों के बीच हुआ. ये जो आर्ट का एक इंटरप्रिटेशन है, आर्टिस्ट कहीं होते हैं, उनके एक्सप्रेशन कहीं होते हैं, बहुत गिफ्टेड लोग हमारे बीचों बीच रहे हैं दुनिया भर. But when I got the literature for today's exhibition, and when I got to know the love story of John and Agnes, they were like a team. उन्होंने हर चीज़ एक दूसरे को बगैर कहे सिर्फ समझ कर किया है. It's almost like she says, art was John's first love. I was his second. बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो who make peace with that as a concept. They built a home and a world where till his last day, through all his accomplishments, he told Agnes to do 3 things amongst many other, but the 3 that I know of. First was that she should hold this exhibition in Jahangir Art Gallery because in 1991 he started his first solo exhibition right here. And today I feel privileged कि उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया है for this moment where she's keeping her promise to her loved husband and a great, great artist. I am extremely humbled and very touched that you thought of me. I am very, very happy that I'm here to be a part of that.
So, sorry.
No, and I hope there's more romance like that, where you explore life, where you go through whatever it is that you experience and you remember that there is a togetherness, like she says, a soulmate. मुझे मेरा soulmate मिल गया. अब ऐसे romance को सुन के मैं single हूँ, obviously, because you keep inspiring to find that it thing, the je ne sais quoi factor. But it's lovely to have you all here. Enjoy. जी?
आपको पेंटिंग करना पसंद है?
हाँ, मैं इनफैक्ट पिकासो जी का एक रूप हूँ. मैं बच्चों की तरह पेंट करती हूँ, which is why I loved his watercolors. Oil तो patience है ही नहीं मुझ में कि oil dry होगा फिर second layer आएगा, ये सब नहीं होता मुझसे. लेकिन watercolors I love, mixed medium I love, and when I'm very inspired, I make something. I start कि मैं आज I will make Ma Durga's eyes, for instance, and they end up becoming Buddha. They just come out the way they want. So no, I'm not a trained artist, but I have great love for art. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर हम में कुछ चीज़ें छुपी हो जो हमारी खूबी हो, if you really take a pen to paper also and doodle with it, you'll be amazed what you can create with it sometimes in a moment of being completely inspired. So yeah, I love art, very fond of it.
Ma'am, what was that thought like the love?
Sorry?
What was that thought to make this painting and all?
What was the thought of?
Yeah, to make this painting.
You are John's inspiration, his muse. How does it feel reliving his memories here today? Actually, reliving the exhibition, I relive John. He lives in my heart and soul and in his art. Yeah.
Center. Say.
See, you asked me a question saying how do you feel reliving
John's memories here today at this exhibition?
I feel great, of course, but actually John is in my heart and soul, and he lives in his art. Every day I see him in the morning, afternoon, night. You know, it's not necessary that I should have an exhibition to relive. I relive every moment of the day.
That's special.
Sushmita, as you said,
Yeah.
you love art. So I want to ask you, how important is art in a person's life? Like,
Yeah.
do you have paintings at your place also where you're a vivid art follower?
Oh yeah. मेरे घर में अब दीवारें नहीं बची हैं जहाँ पर मैं एक और पेंटिंग टांग सकूँ. It's packed. So I have a beautiful temple at home. और टेम्पल के दरवाजे के बाहर भी there is just one wall, and that wall is also packed with some 7 beautiful rishis. I wanted the Sapt Rishi outside, तो वहाँ पे भी जगह नहीं है. So that would have probably been the only wall where there was still scope, but वहाँ भी नहीं है. I just feel like I love depth, the way people look at a window and they look out at a view and they see depth. Sometimes when you look at a painting and you revisit that painting again, you keep seeing new things.
It has a different
Yeah, every time it has it. So जब mood अच्छा होता है तो वो painting बहुत खूबसूरत लगती है. फिर mood खराब होता है तो वही painting में कुछ और ही नजर आने लगता है. So I think it's really about, इसीलिए हम बच्चों को भी कहते हैं बचपन में कि हर चीज़ के लिए everyone gives them crayon and a piece of paper, because you can bring that imagination and that world with you, which is so important for the good health of your heart, of your spirit. They truly are a window of your soul. There is a way that art expresses itself. I'm not a connoisseur, तो मुझे इतना नहीं पता कि इसमें बारीकियों में क्या-क्या खूबियाँ हैं. But I get the feeling. When I look at a painting, I get the feeling, and I think that to me is absolutely fabulous form of art.
Right. Okay, now हम फिल्मों की अगर बात करें, Sushmita, like, have you seen any of the recent films? Many of the films, like Dear Zindagi has done
Dear-
that. So which was
yes.
the last Bollywood film that you saw?
I saw Dear Zindagi.
Okay.
Was the last film I saw.
Right.
And fabulous performances. I think Indian cinema over the last 1 decade is started coming of age. It's beautiful to see commercial actors and non-commercial actors coming in, kind of crossing over so comfortably. Directors risking scripts that were typically not considered commercial. Making films without singing and dancing. Unheard of from the film industry, we knew it to be. This is a great time to be a technician in the film industry, or an actor, director, cinematographer, doesn't matter. Any creative field attached to the Indian cinema today. Very exciting times, and I can't wait for the world to wake up to our kind of films, because for a very long time हम ऐसी फिल्में बनाते थे जो हमें सिर्फ अच्छी लगती थी. बाकी दुनिया को सिर्फ म्यूजिकल लगती थी कि अच्छा म्यूजिकल ड्रामा, musical romantic film.
Right.
But now we have a script, we have screenplays, we have a beginning, middle and an end. The way scripts are written today. It's excellent for us.
Right. और हम आपको कब देखेंगे? Is my last question. Like always, because we all miss you on screen. I'm sure everyone misses you.
You know, this I always say is my God's greatest gift to me, that despite my very limited work, done 35 films
Yes.
in 13, 14 years, this has been my greatest turning, is that my audiences and people such as yourself have always made me feel like you need to come back, we
Yeah.
miss you. And so the little pressure does come up that I don't want to come back and disappoint you. I much rather wait and now come back with something that you say, Sush, now that's what we're talking about. That's taking a little bit of time, but I promise you I'm not going anywhere till I give you that.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Okay. Actually, you'll have all seen that John's works are one more beautiful than the other. So it was really a difficult task choosing the paintings. It was like searching, searching the good ones, like searching a needle in a haystack. It was that difficult. But it took us a while, and in the end we came up with a show. And there you see the work.
Beautiful.
See, as you look at John's works, each one of his paintings are, as she said, one better than the other. So it's for us to decide now which is better for us. but there's not even one painting which you look which will say it's not good. So it becomes very, very hard to choose the top and then, you know, go down or whatever. So, you know, this is like his top works, you see, and as you look around, there's beauty in each and every piece of work which you see here. So for me, it's like it takes a lot of time to do this effort to put all these paintings here, but you know, John's work is such that you will find your pieces which you like and which you want to rate as your top, and then, you know, the next and next and next. So it's a long process, but it's really fun doing it, and finally this is what we have.
Excellent job, very nice.
Okay, Sushmita, last question आपसे, आपको कौन सा सबसे favorite कोई if you have to pick one, so which was the one which you
Well,
really
that
liked?
won't be fair because it's very. That will not be fair because because it's very different. There are no two pieces here जहाँ पर आप देखकर कहेंगे they are so similar or they have the same feeling or the same vibe. But I have to say the one that had me stumped, like I stopped, was this one, the Speaking Eyes. It is just something about the strokes. You know, हम जब साड़ी बांधते हैं तो उसकी जो pleats गिरती हैं fabric की, to do that with just strokes of brushes so casually is beautiful. But those eyes, oh my God, those eyes. She's apparently right now a mum of 2. I was just asking, she's an actual model who posed for him. And she's in Switzerland, sorry.
Yes, she is. Yeah, she's in
do we know her name?
Rucha.
Rucha. So that is Rucha
Vaidya.
Vaidya. And this is how amazing Agnes is. She remembers everyone's names, where they are, and what they're doing. And she's actually the muse for John, who also got him all of her students, because she's a teacher with the convent at that point. And they became further inspirations for him to paint. There she is. You have one live model right here. Come say hi. So one of them is here. I was so fascinated. That's her painting. I'm going to show it to you in a minute. There she is. John's painted her a few times. Right there. Okay, pan camera. I'm also giving now. Same angle.
John is not trying to paint you.
And this will be etched in my memory forever.
Sushmita ji. Sushmita ji.
Right.
ये जाफर फोटो निकाला
Ma'am,
सुष्मिता
All right.
You have to open it.
Thank you. I open it?
ये सेल्फी का ना कैसे
Oh, then how I take it? It'll get spoiled.
लाइट
no?
वर्क
Pack it back for you. Oh, she's going to pack it.
Okay, ready. Let's open. Who's calling me, Babu? इसको ना पकड़ेंगे तो हम खोलेंगे. There you go. Unveiling.
Okay.
But that is very, very sweet. The story
अमित
is
किधर
long, I
है?
will always remember.
एक एक पकड़
So my love story is that good.
Yeah.
माणूस लक्षात ठेव
No, and I know it by
4
heart.
4 आहे
I
तू इथं
haven't
बंद
been
करशील
able to get over the
4 आहे
simplicity with which it's written. Very, very nice. Ready? Oh, perfect. Ta-da!
Nothing.
No. Let's unveil it properly. So we open it up from the back, and then we turn it around. Ready? 1, 3. It says 3. Ready? Background score ready?
यहाँ पे मेरे पास
नहीं गड़बड़. So we turn it around. Ready?
1 2 3 नहीं सर
right.
Sorry. हाँ sorry. अकेली नहीं आ रही ना?
Right, ma'am.
Yes. Please, both of us hold it. Yes. Thank you guys. Look at her, man.
Like something
I
ये थांबा
I just love the space. She's
What's the name of this? Gazing Beyond.
अरे फोटो निकाला मेरा दोस्त आया
perfect. So me actually, gazing beyond.
Yeah.
Love it. Thank you so much. I will cherish it.
And this is the book for you. John's coffee table.
Oh, you did get that done as well.
Then that was his dream.
So when did you
One
make?
dream is 2014. Anupam Kher had come to release it.
So you released it back in 2014? I thought those were still pending.
No, it wasn't.
Oh my God. Okay, someone help.
Yes.
Please keep that and show them. Just let them know.
Just one second. Oh wow, look at that.
Ma'am, क्या आप देखिए? Yeah, ma'am.
The back.
Oh wow, look at this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Thank you very, very much. I wish you all the best.
पहले सुना हाँ रे रुकना
It was very lucky that
तेरे को कहे कहेगा किधर से आया मालूम है क्या बोरौली से
Nandini,
और तू इधर
thank
से
you
इधर
for everything. It was nice meeting all of you and very nice meeting you, Rajesh.
Card in case you need technology help.
Yes.
I'm your guy. Not this side, this side.
Yeah.
Because I ran out of cards, so sorry.
No problem. We do this all the time. We run out of cards all the time. Of course, come on.
Anusha?
And she asked for help. You have something.
Anusha? आ जाओ ना.
It was lovely seeing you. Thank you. I have another event. Come. Yes, please.
Where are you going now?